leading Indian manufacturer in the field instrumentation for over 30 years of experience and innovation. We are basically into the field of flow, level, pressure, analytical measurements with high accuracy, cost-effective and robust instrumentation, which is having CE, ATEX and ISO certification. We are as a one-stop solution. We handle everything in-house from design, development, manufacturing to excellent after-sales support. We are proudly the trusted supplier of Department of Atomic Energy like BARC, ECIL, BHEL, NPCIL for over 28 years. At this Automation Expo, we are excited to showcase our new innovation of TS 2000 series and the Coriolis mass flow meter.
So at Automation Expo 2025, we are coming up with our latest product, which is Coriolis mass flow meter. We are the first one in India to start with Coriolis mass flow meter manufacturing, and it is a completely 100% indigenous product. All the R&D, hardware, software, the construction, everything is been done in our factory, as we have our own dedicated R&D team, and this is hence we are saying that it is completely indigenous. So Coriolis mass flow meter can measure the mass flow rate, density, temperature, volumetric flow rate as well with complete precision and accuracy. It is enabled with all the outputs which are necessary in industry, such as 4220, RS485, HART, as well as it is IoT enabled, as nowadays IoT is essential. So these devices are sending data through IoT as well. This is the second series of the product which we are launching in Automation Expo 2025, which is the TS 2000 series. TS 2000 series is available for flow measurement, pressure measurement, level, temperature measurement, as well as for all the analytical parameters such as pH, DO, ORP. Here what you can see is the complete TS series. TS is basically transmitter as well as switch together. Till now, no one is giving transmitter and switch together. We are providing it together in this single instrument. Along with that, it has all the features which are necessary to install them in any industry, such as outputs or the MOC, etc.
Electronics mission is to become go-to Indian brand internationally with smart, accurate and reliable solutions.